What is the third eye? Opening your third eye to benefit you. Where and what is the third eye? You may have heard of the third eye, that mysterious psychic organ located somewhere between the eyes, the brows, and the lower forehead. Some claim that it is located within the pineal gland of the brain and is sensitive to light through the forehead. In certain traditions, the third eye corresponds to an energy center known as the sixth chakra. What does the third eye do? It is difficult to say what the third eye in fact does. That is because, due to its very nature, it cannot be studied using traditional scientific methods. What can be said is that, over the millennia, the third eye has been associated with various experiences and abilities that fall within the spiritual, mystical, and religious realms. In essence, it allows one to see things that cannot be sensed using the ordinary five senses. These experiences and abilities include expansion of consciousness, intuitive knowledge, clairvoyance and other psychic abilities, the feeling of energies from other people or objects, and seeing beings and entities from other frequencies or dimensions. What does opening the third eye mean? The process of engaging and awakening the third eye in order to tap into its powers is commonly known as opening the third eye. This phrase is a bit misleading because everyone is born with some degree of psychic powers. Ever had a feeling about something that turned out to be true? Most people have had this kind of experience of accessing intuitive knowledge from the third eye in order to read a situation. So, when people talk about opening their third eye, what they are really doing is deepening their ability to tap into the powers of this organ. Finally the good part. How to open the third eye. It's really quite simple. All you have to do is pay $39.95 for this special audio recording of specific vibrational frequencies, which you listen to while sitting in the lotus position in a dark room, focusing your eyes upon the space between your brows. Do this for 20 minutes, 3 times a day for 30 days. Then your third eye will be fully open and you will have supreme bliss. Just kidding. All joking aside, while the above exercise and certain meditation might help, the fact is that the experience of opening the third eye is different for each individual, and there is no guarantee of results. Additionally, there are numerous exercises and rituals from various spiritual traditions from which to choose. Unless you are committed to one specific path, the options can be overwhelming. Your best bet is to explore exercises within an established tradition for which you feel a particular affinity. Don't be attached to the phrase, opening the third eye, either. The exercises might be said to expand consciousness, or raise your vibration, or allow you to connect with the source. Take the example of someone who is interested in Kundalini Yoga, which has been practiced for thousands of years. This individual does not have access to a teacher, only to the internet and books. A search on the internet for the phrases Kundalini Yoga and third eye yields a couple of promising exercises. One is the meditation called To See the Unseen, and the other is called the Kirtan Kriya. The first is self-explanatory. The meditation gives you the ability to see the unseen, an ability arising from the opening of the third eye. Yoga Bhajan, who brought Kundalini Yoga to the United States, stated that someone who practices Kirtan Kriya will know the unknowable and see the unseeable. Search for whatever falls under your religion or spiritual practice to get the best result. Opening your third eye will benefit you. Opening your third eye to any degree will enrich your life. It will enhance your intuitive abilities, make you more empathetic, and allow you to access universal knowledge, knowing things that you should not know, and seeing things that are beyond your five senses. Who wouldn't want that?